So, part 4. We have finished the boarding, I think. So, it's a bit of a patch quilt. So all the boarding's done. I've used their adhesive. I need to trim out some of this back. I've got a gap here. I would like to put another board in here, but I think I've bought these forward and plasterboard I'm going to put a tile adhesive on top of this, and then make sure the tiles go on top. Leave a gap underneath the tiles and between the tray, so I'm going to fill it with silicone. That's my next job today. I've cut this tile here because there's a screw that goes through that tile, so I've cut it in half, and then I'm going to bring this tile forward a bit here and just fill this in with silicone. And I'm going to remove all the silicone along here and just redo the silicone. Again, 6-month job. I've got to clean the old tiles up. I need to clean out some of the old grout on the cracks here. Not a very good job, is it? So hopefully it will last for the next